everybody? Here to tie-dye another t-shirt for you. It's been soaking in our soda ash, our sodium carbonate, for the last 30 minutes or so. We're gonna twist it up and throw some color on it. Come along for the ride. It's very cold, people. I'm sorry. I'm just not on my game today. In case y'all didn't know, it's 4 o'clock. So what we got planned for this one? Bullseye. A beautiful bullseye. Yeah, we're struggling pretty hard out here, people. It is so cold. I don't think I've ever jumbled up that intro like that. Much less multiple times. To the dyeing rack. What colors do you have planned for this one?
It's gonna be just a, I guess a tricolor bullseye.
A few rings of black, a few stripes of black.
We'll do a pastel.
There we go.
So,
Hot pink.
I'm gonna do some citrus yellows.
Citrus yellow. Makes a nice orange. As you all can see. Wow, turquoise. So all told on this one, we're gonna have new black, citrus yellow, hot pink, and turquoise.
Yep.
That'll make a beautiful tricolor rainbow, I do believe. I especially love like the purples that the turquoise with the hot pink makes, and I mean, it just all make such beautiful colors.
I'm glad you enjoy this one. I know it's one of your favorite patterns.
It really is, just because it's 3 colors, and look what you can make with 3 colors. In this case, 3 colors in black, but even if you don't have the black, even if you just have the 3 colors, you can do wonderful things with just 3 colors. The whole world just needs 3 more colors.
We got our hot pink.
Woo! Flying dies.
We're trying to get this shit.
Don't bail out there, Trevor.
Should be everything.
Looking beautiful.
Everything one more time.
Looking beautiful. We already flopped, didn't we?
Yep.
See, I couldn't even remember, folks.
Okay.
To the drying rack.
To the drying rack.
Let's go. Bottom shelf, where it will sit for the next 24 hours until we're ready to rinse it on out. Alrighty, folks, y'all have a wonderful day. We'll see y'all tomorrow.